Does science agree with the Quran? Well, today we're going to talk about the formation of the earth. According to the Quran, how did the earth come into existence? How does science explain it? Let's have a look. In the beginning, there was nothing but water. Allah spoke into existence all of the planets, including the earth. In a matter of a few days, everything was formed. Mountains, valleys, oceans, clouds, everything. And it took 40,000 years for humanity to come into existence. That's what the Quran says. How does science explain it? Well, according to modern science, the Earth is about 4 billion years old. It formed from a cloud of dust that was present in our solar system. Over billions of years, this dust collapsed under its own gravity and turned into our Earth. The age of the Earth is way older than the age of Adam. So are they compatible? Well, let's think about the age of the Earth first. 4 billion years is a really long time. In the Quran, it is mentioned that the Earth is 6,000 years old. Now, 6,000 years may sound like a lot less, but keep in mind that 6,000 years is also a really long time. It's just not as long as 4 billion years. But here's the thing, science has not yet reached a consensus on how the Earth was formed. There are various theories, but no one knows for sure. And when it comes to the age of the universe, scientists say that it's 13.8 billion years old, give or take a few 100 million years. But that's just a best guess. There's no way to actually know it. However, scientists do know that the Earth is not 4 billion years old, because about 4.5 billion years ago, something really big happened in our solar system. Scientists call it the Late Heavy Bombardment. Basically, all the planets were hit by lots and lots of asteroids and other space rocks. We know that because there are huge craters on the moon. The moon was hit so many times that whole chunks of it got blasted off. Scientists estimate that the Earth was also hit at least a couple of dozen times. So if the Earth was already formed 4 billion years ago, where are the impact craters? Scientists can't find any. So that means the Earth can't be 4 billion years old. So what does science say about the age of the Earth? Well, it says we don't know. What does the Quran say? It says that the Earth is 6,000 years old. So which one is right? Well, we can't say for sure. But here's what we can say. The Quran is quite literally true in many areas of science, things that we didn't discover until centuries later. For example, the Quran says that the Earth is round. This was revealed 1,400 years ago. It took modern man another 200 years to discover that the Earth is round. Muslims are commanded to seek knowledge. If you want to know more about how the Earth came into existence, read the Quran and then go and talk to a scientist. Maybe together you can find the truth.